What are the most powerful cryptocurrencies right now, and why do they dominate the market? Welcome back to the channel, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in the world of digital assets. Whether you're new to the world of crypto or a seasoned investor, understanding the top players in the market can help you make informed decisions. From the giant Bitcoin to smart contract powerhouses like Ethereum, we'll break down the most influential cryptocurrencies, why they stand out, and what the future holds for them. So, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's jump right into it. First up, we have Bitcoin BTC, the king of all cryptocurrencies. Launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first to introduce the concept of decentralized digital currency, and it's still leading the charge today. As of today, Bitcoin has the largest market capitalization, with a value often hovering around trillions of dollars. But what makes Bitcoin so powerful? Let's break it down. 1. Store of value. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. Its limited supply, capped at 21 million BTC, makes it a hedge against inflation. Investors flock to Bitcoin during uncertain economic times, trusting it as a store of value. 2. Decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network. This means no government, bank, or single entity controls it. Instead, it's maintained by a network of miners around the world. 3. Network security. Bitcoin's proof-of-work consensus mechanism ensures security by requiring miners to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions. This makes it incredibly difficult to manipulate or hack. 4. Adoption. Over the years, Bitcoin has seen growing adoption from retail investors to institutional giants like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even countries like El Salvador, which made Bitcoin legal tender in 2021. However, while Bitcoin is the most powerful cryptocurrency by market cap, it does have its criticisms, mainly around energy consumption and scalability. But its continued dominance shows no signs of fading just yet. Next up is Binance Coin, BNB. The native cryptocurrency of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are primarily seen as store of value and platform cryptocurrencies, Binance Coin is all about utility. BNB started as a token for Binance Exchange, but its use cases have expanded significantly over time. 1. Utility on Binance. The most obvious use of BNB is on the Binance platform itself. Users can use BNB to pay for trading fees on the exchange and receive discounted fees. Binance also uses BNB to power various aspects of its ecosystem, including the Binance Smart Chain (BSC), a platform for dApps and DeFi projects that aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions than Ethereum. 2. Staking and DeFi. Binance Coin also plays a major role in staking and decentralized finance. Users can stake BNB to earn rewards, participate in token sales on Binance Launchpad, or use it in decentralized applications on BSC. 3. Market cap and demand. With Binance being a major hub for crypto trading and adoption, BNB's market cap is in the top 5 cryptocurrencies. It has a strong and growing demand, particularly in Asia and other emerging markets. Despite its power, some critics have raised concerns over the centralization of Binance and the regulatory scrutiny the exchange faces globally. Nonetheless, Binance Coin continues to be one of the most powerful cryptocurrencies today. Now, let's talk about Ethereum ETH, the cryptocurrency that introduced us to the world of smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a team of developers, Ethereum revolutionized the crypto space by allowing developers to build smart contracts, self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into lines of code. Ethereum is incredibly powerful for several reasons. 1. Smart contracts and dApps. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a whole platform. The Ethereum blockchain is the backbone of the DeFi, decentralized finance, ecosystem, and the NFT non-fungible token space. dApps, decentralized applications, like Uniswap, Aave, and OpenSea rely on Ethereum to power their transactions and smart contract functionality. 2. Network upgrade, Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum is transitioning from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake through the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. This will drastically reduce its energy consumption and increase scalability, meaning it can handle more transactions per second, lower fees, and become more eco-friendly. 3. Widespread adoption. Ethereum is widely adopted by developers, institutions, and businesses. Major corporations like Microsoft, JP Morgan, and IBM have also dabbled in Ethereum's blockchain for their own private use cases. However, Ethereum isn't without its issues. Despite Ethereum 2.0 aiming to solve scalability, high transaction fees and network congestion have often plagued the Ethereum ecosystem. But the fact remains, it's the go-to platform for building decentralized solutions. Ethereum's market cap makes it the second largest cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin, and with the ongoing upgrades, it could very well surpass Bitcoin in the future when it comes to utility. Next, let's talk about Cardano, ADA, a cryptocurrency that's taken a unique approach to blockchain development. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's co-founders, Cardano is a blockchain project that focuses heavily on academic research and peer-reviewed development. Cardano's main goal is to create a sustainable, secure, and scalable platform for the future of decentralized applications. Here's why Cardano is considered powerful. 1. Proof of stake. Cardano uses a proof of stake (POS) consensus mechanism called Ouroboros, which is more energy efficient than Bitcoin's proof of work (POW). This makes Cardano an eco-friendly alternative to other blockchains. 2. Academic research. What sets Cardano apart is its commitment to scientific rigor. Its development is driven by peer-reviewed research, ensuring that every upgrade is thoroughly tested and proven to be secure. 3. Focus on global impact. Cardano has also set its sights on financial inclusion. Projects in developing nations like Africa are using Cardano's blockchain to improve access to finance, healthcare, and education. While Cardano has faced criticism for slow development and fewer dApps compared to Ethereum, its focus on sustainability and scalability could make it a top contender in the coming years. Finally, we have Solana, SOL, a cryptocurrency that has been making waves with its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees. Launched in 2020, Solana offers some of the fastest transaction speeds in the crypto space, capable of handling 65,000 transactions per second, far faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Here's why Solana is powerful. 1. High throughput. Solana's unique consensus mechanism, known as proof of history (POH), allows it to process transactions at record speeds without sacrificing decentralization. 2. Low transaction fees. Unlike Ethereum, which has been plagued with high gas fees, Solana offers extremely low fees, making it an attractive option for developers and users alike. 3. DeFi and NFTs. Solana is home to a growing number of DeFi protocols and NFT projects, making it a strong competitor to Ethereum in these spaces. However, Solana isn't without challenges. It's faced a few network outages, raising concerns about its reliability. But with ongoing upgrades, Solana continues to be a top contender for high-speed blockchain applications. So what's the takeaway? The most powerful cryptocurrencies are not just the ones with the highest market cap, they're the ones with the most real-world utility, technological innovation, and long-term sustainability. Bitcoin remains the undisputed leader, Ethereum continues to drive decentralized applications forward, Binance Coin powers one of the largest exchanges, Cardano aims to build a sustainable future, and Solana is leading the charge for scalability and speed. Each of these cryptocurrencies has carved out its own niche in the market, and as the industry evolves, their roles will likely continue to grow and change. What do you think? Which cryptocurrency do you believe is the most powerful right now, and which one do you think will dominate in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.